Hey guys, what's shaking? I'm here at the community forest. It's a rainy day, and I guess I'm the only crazy person that does this. Well, there's two other cars in the parking lot, but normally it's packed here. Okay, well, I'm gonna get ready and get on the trail. It's gonna be a nice day. Well, hopefully. I'm gonna get soaked after, which is gonna be fun, but I got a pair of clothing, so. All right, here we go. Here's the parking lot. There's three other vehicles in here. There's a little shelter if you need it, which I've had lunch in there and with a couple friends, and it's beautiful. And then here's the start of the trail, and I'm gonna do the big loop that takes you all the way around the whole entire forest. There's the map, and off we go. Probably gonna get so soaked. But crazy enough to do it, so. Wow, this is completely brand new. This just fell over probably a couple days back. Damn. Kinda sucks. Balancing across a log, and there's a bunch of water. Yeah, I absolutely love this community forest. It's so beautiful in here. There's quite a few loops that you can do in here, and it's great if you're ever like somebody that can't hike or even have kids and children or whatever. So it's accessible to a lot of people. Take a couple friends out here that are not in as great a shape, but they can still do stuff, so. For me personally, I try not to let weather depend on what I'm going to be doing that day. Because a lot of time you'll just say no, and you'll never get out, even if it's raining. It could be 7 degrees, which it is now, raining, but I'm happy, and it's just way better that way. Okay, here the uphill starts. It's only like 200 meters to the top. It's not too bad, so in elevation, I should say. You can go up further, but that's a place called Gloria, and it has an amazing lookout up top. So maybe if my knee gets better, I'll take you guys up there. But it's a place that I fell slipping on in a gravelly section, and I guess my knee, I might have tore something or something like that. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna go to the doctor's here soon. So yeah, there's a bunch of mountain bikers that run through here too. That's why it's windy and twisty and turny and everything. And oh, and speaking of weather, make sure that you like dress properly for it. always expect more layers than what you think. You always take them off. Carry a backpack if you have to, but for the most part, just make sure you're warm enough. I've been out on the Bowen Lakes, and me being stubborn when I was a kid, you learn from those mistakes. And it just stormed up on us, and it was sunny just previously, like 2 minutes before, and then I just started shivering because of it, and I had to go throw on layers, and never again. So I've kind of learned to make sure you're wearing enough clothing. All right, here we have Ford Creek. I'm gonna go show you guys here. It's like a minute walk, and there's like one goes up, the other one goes down. It's the one on the down here. So yeah, I haven't been down here in about a year plus, but wow, there's a lot of deadfall and trees that are all falling over and kind of just everywhere. And there's this big one here, and like there's a massive log pile. I'm so surprised. We had a lot of high winds like back last year and a lot of flooding going on, and there's some up there too. Wow. Here's a little creek that runs down to the bottom of the hill, which is like way down there. You can't see it. There might be a little view up top, but we'll see when I get there. All right, made it to the top. Woohoo! It's definitely one of my favorite short but sweet trails. Only takes like 20 minutes or so to get to the top from the bottom, from when it starts to get steep. But you can go up further. I've done it, and it's amazing up there though. I'll show you here in a second. I'm almost there. Yeah, I had to put you guys away just until I got through the steep and rocky and rooty sections. And here's the top of the community forest. But as you can see, right there, you can go up further, which is right here. I've been down there too, and it's quite a lot of fun. Right there. Yeah, there's another trail that leads up there too, and I had a misguided adventure one day. It was quite fun. I went and did the Abbey Grind in the morning, and then came out here because I was just vibrating with energy. I needed to get out, so I took that trail, and I got up 800 meters in elevation gain, and it was getting about now where it was starting to get darker. I was like, I don't really want to be up here at night, so I bushwhacked across the mountainside, which is not a good thing to do. Don't do that. And then made it to that trail that I spoke of, and get it down. All right, I'm gonna focus here, and I don't do well going downhill that much, so I'm gonna put you guys away. Normally there's a view here, but we're in a cloud pretty much, So I can't really show you guys, sorry, but maybe one day. Maybe I'll do another trail here Thursday. Okay, here we have a bridge that's built from a actual school. So they built it in 2016. Here's a little placard. And I can't believe they built this. It's amazing to be able to protect the foliage down below and to protect all of this. Alright, we're all done. Did around 5.5 kilometers, maybe 6, and roughly like 250 meters of elevation gain and descent. I'll show a little map on my Strava. Also, I'll put my Strava in the description if anybody wants to follow me on there. Okay, bye-bye. Alright, we're all done. Did around 5.5 kilometers, maybe 6, and roughly like 250 meters of elevation gain and descent. I'll show a little map on my Strava. Also, I'll put my Strava in the description if anybody wants to follow me on there. Okay, bye-bye.